Mint.
They look good, yeah. In the box it came in still.
Was it just plug and play?
Yeah, it's just this.
Mostly?
Little flathead guy.
How many screws was it?
Literally 3. What?
What is this on the back of that? It's like wired for.
That's just like that.
I think you gotta slide it out. You see this?
Yeah, there's a little slidey thing.
It slides in almost.
So you
I
might
feel
have
like you
to
might
go
have to
that
just slide it out.
Literally just. Yeah.
Sure?
Sure.
There it is.
Alright, here's the
New one, going in. Sure. What's up? She sipping?
There you go.
When we got her, that's what she felt like. You did pretty
What size sock is it?
This?
I can hear what she's looking at.
Yep. 11:30 seconds, but it's probably not the right thing.
Too small?
No, it's probably.
It's an 8 mil?
It's an 8 mil, yes sir.
I left the headlight here.
Alright,
There's one in it.
try to do the,
That's the safety package.
go do a test. Oh, brakes. Oh yeah, fired up.
They work.
They look a lot better in person. Like I saw these on like Instagram, and I'll be honest.
Wow, they look good.
Put on the blinker.
Put on the
I know,
blinker, look at the
uh,
blinker.
Wow, that's very simple. Wow.
Fancy.
Go ahead, Grace. Turn that off. Oh my god, I'm so fancy. Look at that.
That's fire. Looks good.
Like,
So I'm freaking mentally ill, dude.
What happened? One more bolt?
Try to yank it out. Laser eye surgery, Hot 97, shout out. They'll probably hit you up on fucking YouTube later.
yo, if Subispeed does, get Subispeed to comment on this video.
Yeah, you just.
Come
on, Sue.
Yeah, we didn't need a sponsor. We didn't need.
Anyways, thank you.
Oh,
Sure.
trash.
There it is.
I got him anyways.
Yeah, we got them anyway. Subispeed.
You'll see.
Turn it to the left or the right.
Wow.
There they are. Good. Brake. Alright. Go take them out in the street. Really see them.
Crispy.
Oh yeah, I won that. I won that from his wallet.
His wallet.
His wallet. I had a deck of cards and he named a card and I pulled it out of the deck. Straight, I'm not even kidding. It was the exact card. He goes, holy shit, if I had $5, I'll give it to you right now, but he did it. So he had a sticker. And that's it.
Damn, you're actually kidding.
Fire. Looks so good.